Hey everybody, welcome back to our patio. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. And today we're working with Heinz to bring the world to your table with a twist on an American cheeseburger recipe.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are using Heinz's new cage-free mayonnaise to make a Portabella cheeseburger.
Let's chat a little bit about the new cage-free mayonnaise. It's really delicious, super creamy, and part of that is because of the great ingredients that Heinz uses in this new product.
Right, of course, it has those cage-free eggs in there, some lemon juice.
Vinegar, olive oil, so really like a homemade mayonnaise, but we don't have to do any of the work.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
So keep it in your fridge.
Yes, and especially for all the great recipes you have in the summer, definitely a staple that you'll want to stock up on.
For sure.
So let's chat a little bit about our portabellas that we're using today. So this is kind of a meatless cheeseburger option, and we're going to share a little twist on the cheese portion as well. But it's really fun to use these on the grill. They look really big, but they do shrink up a little bit, so you may want 2 per person instead of 1 per person like we're planning today. Yep. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to brush the caps with olive oil. And do you want to talk about what we've done so far to these?
Yeah, so I'm actually going to grab one and show you. So we took the gills out of the mushroom. You can leave them in. I prefer to take them out and then just wipe them down with a damp paper towel to clean them up a little bit. And you can find these in our produce section. They come in packages of 2, but they also come in bigger like party packs if you are cooking for a bigger crowd. So
yes,
and whatever you need.
They have a really nice somewhat meat-like flavor, that great umami flavor, which is awesome, and just something easy to incorporate into your grilling repertoire this summer.
Definitely, and I like the texture that the portabella mushrooms have once they've been grilled. They're definitely like a meatier vegetable.
Yes. All right, so
I'll do a little salt and pepper.
Sure, we got enough olive oil on here. This will just help prevent it from sticking and give it some good flavor too.
All right.
Excellent. So we've had our grill preheating. It's at medium high. So I'm going to pop these on there. Grab our tongs here.
I love that these cook up so quickly too.
Yes, they don't take a lot of time. Not a lot of prep work involved as well. All right.
Awesome.
So these are going to take right around 5 minutes per side, but I would say keep an eye on them because they can cook up rather quickly. So it really depends on the size of the portabella.
Definitely.
So we'll keep an eye on them, but move on to
the cheese. We love cheese.
Oh, for sure.
All right, so this is a super simple cheese that we're using. Instead of like a slice of cheese, we're doing more of a cheese sauce. So we're just taking a little bit of the Heinz cage-free mayonnaise. Get that in the bowl here with a little bit of gorgonzola cheese.
So I love how we're pairing these two together. Gorgonzola is a really robust cheese. It has a very strong, intense flavor, but then it pairs really nicely with the creaminess of the Heinz cage-free mayonnaise.
Definitely, and a little bit goes a long way because it does have so much flavor.
Yes, I love the flavor of gorgonzola. If you're not a huge fan, you could use more of a milder cheese like a feta or even a goat cheese, but it's nice that with the mayonnaise it turns into this great sauce, so we'll be able to spread easily onto our bun. So with that, I'm going to take a peek at our portabellas. They look like they're doing pretty good. I'm just going to flip them here. You can already see how they're starting to shrink up a little bit.
Got those gorgeous grill marks.
Yeah. Very nice. So I'm going to close this, and we're going to let these cook for a couple more minutes until they shrink up a little bit more, and then we'll be able to build our burgers. Yeah. All right, so let's check on our portabella mushroom caps. Oh my gosh, these look great. Excellent. Okay. All right, so
open the buns up for you. Awesome.
Here, I'll give you this.
And I'm going to go ahead and start building the rest of the burger. I'm going to spread a little bit of this gorgonzola sauce with the mayo onto the bun.
Let me close this for now. It's pretty hot.
And I'll swap with you.
And I'm going to start putting on some of our toppings. So today we're using spinach. You could use arugula, would also be really delicious.
Yeah, that would be nice. I love that little like peppery bite that arugula has.
So spinach would be more of a mild option. And then
we have some roasted peppers too. And you can find these already roasted. They're just jarred, so you don't have to roast them yourself, even though you certainly could.
We'll just keep flipping
plates
here. It seems to be working out well.
Swap back and forth.
All right, so I'm gonna dig in here. This is our cheeseburger. Give it a try. The creaminess with the mayo and that sauce is delicious.
Yeah, and it's the perfect complement to that gorgonzola cheese.
Yes, love this. Well, we hope you give Portabella mushroom caps a try on your grill this summer.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.